numbers yesterday. The stock reacted favorably, and today as well, the stock is seeing a good amount of up move on the back of Purunju's entry into the stock. He bought close to around 1 lakh shares. To understand what's going on in the company, we're currently joined by Mr. Reddy, the MD of the company. Hi, Mr. Reddy. Thanks so much, sir, for joining in. Let's focus on your numbers first. Yesterday, we got your numbers, top line, good growth of around 43%. Break that up for us. How much of it was due to volumes coming in higher, and how much of it was because realization spiked?
Volumes have been same. If you look at it, Q2 and Q3 volumes have been same.
What is it, sir?
The reason, 1,50,000 tons. We did 1,50,000 tons in Q3, and it was same in Q2. Okay.
Okay.
But the reason we got higher profit was we focused on areas where realizations were higher. Okay, and we have cut down selling in areas where realization was lower. That was one reason, and second reason was our power consumption and coal consumption have been reduced. We incurred capex in Q1, and that is yielding results now because of these two factors. One is cost control, and second one focusing on areas where I get high realization. These two factors helped us increase the profits.
Okay. Mr. Reddy, do you see Q4 volumes improving from 1.5 lakh tons? Or will it be the same flattish performance that we've seen in Q3 with respect to volumes? And also, if you could tell us what the capacity utilization and EBITDA per ton is for the December quarter.
Yeah. Q4 volumes should be same or maybe 5 to 10% higher. Reason I'll tell you. November and December volumes were affected due to demonetization. And now, slowly, that effect it's going away, but I cannot predict how much time it would take for things to be normal again. So I believe, but so volumes might be slightly better, but not by much this quarter. And I see increased public spending in Andhra Pradesh. Okay,
All right.
So realizations should be better than last quarter.
All right, Mr. Reddy, I wanted to ask you a couple of important points. You're saying that you're selling it in the right places. So where are you selling your cement now that you've changed your mix? And also your EBITDA per ton, what is it at? Because you're saying that their profitability is improving. Yeah.
See, we are focusing on our neighboring districts. This is called Rayalaseema region.
Okay.
So we are trying to sell as much cement as possible within 150 to 200 kilometer radius.
Right.
That's where we make good realizations.
Okay.
And EBITDA per ton, it was around 15 to 16%, and it should improve this quarter. It should improve this quarter because this quarter I expect more efficiency in terms of power and coal consumption.
Okay. So EBITDA margin should improve in Q4 from the current 15 to 16%. So what
Correct.
was the capacity utilization in Q3?
Q3 capacity utilization, let me tell you, it was around 60-65%.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Reddy, besides your operational performance, I want to understand how's your balance sheet looking? Because your other income came in higher, your finance cost as well. Why have your finance cost spiked on a year-on-year basis? Even on a sequential basis, it's up by more than 90%. If you could give us a number, tell us, please.
What had happened was this year we took a loan from Edelweiss. We have replaced the previous bank loans by Edelweiss loan. We took loan, we incurred capex. That's the reason finance cost has increased.
Okay. Mr. Reddy, very quickly, the promoter holding has gone up from 52% in March. It's now at 55.5%. But the entire promoter holding is pledged. Can you take us through, do you plan to increase your holding further? And when can you release the pledge?
See, we plan to increase the promoter holding as and when, and this is from open market, okay, because we believe in company, okay, performance of the company. And the entire shares are pledged with Edelweiss only, okay? It would get released once the loan term is over, which is around 5 years.
In 5 years? So 5 years from today?
Yeah, 5 years. No, 4 years from today.
Okay, and yesterday, sir, in that big large trade, did you buy any shares?
No.
You all didn't buy any shares. So your current promoter holding is at around 55.5%.
Correct.
Finally, query, sir, is Panyam Cement on the block? Are the promoters interested in holding on to the company? or will you look to sell out from the company? Just to clarify on any market rumors.
It is not unblock.
Okay.
We want to hold onto the company.
All
okay,
right.
and we believe coming years would be much better than the previous years.
All right.
Okay, Mr. Reddy, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining in. Panyam Cements up 30% in the last 2 trading sessions. But let's